is going to be reading for the sign of Pisces. So all that I need to know for the month of June. Let's start. So what are you guys going through for the month of June throughout? Soulmate connections. First 3 cards for you, and then we move to your person. So let's see what your reviews. Okay, many of you with 2 of swords, you guys could be having a decision to make, and you have no idea as to what you really want to go forward with. Okay, you're a bit indecisive right now. In the past few days, I believe you're trying to take a step back from making this decision. You're trying to think practically, logically, emotionally. You want to have a balanced decision, and right now I don't think you're in that mindset to be making that decision yet. Okay, selected few of you could be having options. Okay, one more card. What else are Pisces going through for the month of June? With 7 of Wands, I also feel many of you guys could be a bit distant from your person. You are not very open to your person. Reason being, I mean, you guys do not know what's right and what's wrong. Like when it comes to the disconnection or to this person, you guys have your walls up. You guys are not letting this person in completely, okay, or being very distant. Okay, one more card in terms of your connection. What's happening, Pisces? What's your energy towards this connection? Okay, with 2 of Cups, you do feel connected with this individual. However, for whatever reasons, you are not being completely open. Okay, in the past, you did think that this was your match, this was your person. Okay, like 1 card for what really got in the way, Spirit, for what triggered the situation. What is the major shift that got in the way? With the Sun card, it could be about attention, that your person wasn't giving you the due attention you wanted. I also feel like in the past they were keeping secrets. You are not completely sure if you can trust this individual. Okay, like when it comes to the connection, what's the overall energy going to be like for Pisces and their person? Overall energy, please. Overall energy for the month, I would say, is the World card. Okay, so I do believe there is distance between the 2 of you. Some of you could be also having options, but majorly there is distance going on between the 2 of you, like energetic and like when it comes to physical distance as well. Okay, 1 card for your person. What's going through? So what's your person going through, please, Pisces? Soulmate. Okay, with the Devil card, I do feel like they have certain attachments with someone from the past, which they haven't completely cleared or completely like cut off from their life. 1 card for how do they think about you now? How does the Pisces soul think about Pisces now? Okay, with 3 of Cups, I mean, this person does want to still stay in contact or still stay in touch, but the problem is they could be mixing other connections as well. Like not completely getting rid of the third party, which is triggering you. Okay, so 1 card for the energy towards Pisces for the month of June. What's the energy going to be like towards Pisces for the month of June? I do see this person being around you. Okay, so yes, I mean they really want to unite with you for sure. In terms of their energy, I do not see them taking action like when it comes to fixing the connection, but giving you attention and being around you, yes, but fixing the connection, they might still take more time. Okay, 1 card for the major blockage that could be getting in the way between Pisces and their soulmate, please. Blockage could be the Star card. So this for selected few of you, there could be one more person that is getting in the way, like a third party. If it's not a third party, one of you thinks like you. I mean, you guys are higher than the other one. It's like your person might think like they are a bit higher than you when it comes to whatever, and or you might think, okay, there is some kind of a gap between the 2 of you, like when it comes to status. Okay, I do not know if it's financial or like looks or something is definitely getting in the way. There is some blockages. Okay, 1 more card. Or someone thinks like one is above the other. Okay, so take what resonates in your case. 1 more card for the current feelings for you. How do they truly feel for Pisces? Okay, right now with the 5 of Cups, they do miss you. Okay, that's for sure. There was love in the past. There is still love. However, 5 of Cups is a card where someone is more focused on the past than the present. So right now, I do see them missing you, but not doing anything about it. Okay, 1 more card in terms of their heart space. What's going on? Pisces, soulmate, heart space. How do they think about it? In their heart space with Six of Pentacles, they do want to bring in balance in the situation. Like, I would say that they're doing too much. It's just that they want to get back on this on some level with you. Like they do not want to completely walk away or stay away. I do see them kind of putting the effort, but not much. Six of Pentacles is not a great card to get, like when it comes to, like what do they think of the situation, or what do they want to do with the situation. I do think they will give you attention just to keep it alive. Okay, one more card in terms of their hate space. What's happening, Spirit? Pisces, soulmate. But I strongly see a third party. Okay, with the Strength card, I do feel it's about their pride or their ego that it could be getting in the way as well. Someone does genuinely think like they are above the other. It could be you or them, mostly them, but let's not say completely them, but okay. But with the Strength card, I do see a lot of resistance coming from their side only due to their pride or their, I don't know, man. They think like they are high standard, but it's all ego. Okay, so what's their intention going to be like towards Pisces? What's their intention going to be like towards Pisces, please? Okay, intention towards you is going to be to get back in terms of like communication, like trying to be in touch with you. So that's going to be there. In terms of what action are they going to take towards you? What action is individual trying to towards Pisces, please? Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, I do see them around but not doing much, just like I told you. Okay, so what can Pisces expect throughout the month? What can Pisces expect throughout the month? Okay, with eight of Swords, I do feel many of you guys feel stuck to the situation, even after knowing that this person isn't completely healthy or this connection isn't completely balanced. You guys cannot completely walk away or get away or even think of moving on. Okay, so one card for like, where do you see this connection going? Where do you see this connection going? Just like I told you, there is going to be confusion. Okay, so what's the major blockage like that could be getting in the way between Pisces and their person? Major blockage that's getting in the way, Spirit. Major blockage is in the past you guys kind of had a fallout, and after that things never got to a very balanced point or to a very like a normal speaking point. Okay, with Three of Pentacles there could also be distance that's getting in the way. I also see a third party for like almost 50% of you. If it's not a third party like a person, then it could be their work life that is very much getting in the way. They are not putting in that necessary effort, like not coming forward in terms of working things out. Okay, so yes, one card for if Pisces try to reconnect, would that work, Spirit, or Pisces should just stay away from this? I mean, if you put in that like necessary effort, I do see them reacting to you or possibly replying to your messages. Okay, that's going to happen, but I do not see this person opening up as to what's happening in their life. They'll keep you waiting, so it could get stagnant. So please be careful. Okay, so I believe they should make the move. Even if you put in that serious effort, to some point it's going to work, but then it's going to get stagnant again. It's my job to tell you what could happen. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's going to go 100% for you. Okay, so yeah, in terms of Spirit messages, what's to come for Pisces, or what should Pisces know about this person, Spirit? Okay, I love you, I want you, I'm ready. That's in the reverse. So this person does love you, they do want you, but however, are they ready? I don't think that they are completely 100% made their decision of coming forward. Reason being, the third party is still lingering around in terms of a person or work or God knows what. Okay, so yeah, one more card for Pisces, please. Unspoken feelings, there's still hope. Yes, there is still hope. Okay, but I do feel this person is coming with half truth, so you can't really trust them 100% or completely. Okay, they are definitely keeping secrets, but there is hope. But they need to cut the third party. If you are still very jolly with them, very happy and very open to them, this person is not going to change. So you need to set boundaries. Okay, so that's that. Ego is getting in the way, or ego has already got in the way. Okay, one more card for what's to come. Okay. Okay, so I do believe this has been going on for the longest time, repeating patterns, no change. So there has not been much change in the situation. It's always repeating patterns. Okay, one more card, please, for Pisces. Yeah. I'm trying to give you an honest reading. I'm not someone who's going to sugarcoat and tell you shit just for the sake of views or likes. Okay. If you're new to my channel, this is how I work. Okay, but some of them are still wanting to stay friends, even if they are not being able to completely commit or give you 100%. They still want to hang around. Okay, so can we still stay friends? Is a message coming from their side. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Pisces for the month of June. So if it resonated or it connected with you, please do hit the like button. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed and you're new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. If you want a personal reading, please go to my website on Etsy, and you could book a reading for yourself if you're possibly interested in one. If you're on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I do post a lot of good stuff there which could help you with healing. Okay, so thank you so much for coming and putting the time to watch this video. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Happy month of June.